Hi. Recently, Forbes was asking about how different people make decisions. Specifically, how some executives might struggle with making decisions while others might make them way too quickly. So the question is, what's one tip you could give for people to enhance their decision-making skills? And my favorite is, ask if you need any additional information. So no matter what type of decision maker you are, it's worth asking yourself, do I have any other questions before I make my final decision? Now, these questions could include anything from clarifying what's being offered to making requests for something different or something even additional to what you're being offered. Now, these answers will allow you to make a much more informed decision while feeling very confident about it. Finally, consider if you feel excited and expansive when you're making this decision, or heavy and still a little bit confused. And just remember to go with the light.